Hi guys, if it's your first time here, my name is Claudia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am cleaning my kitchen and cooking beef curry with boiled eggs. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not a step-by-step, but I hope it entertains you and gives some type of motivation to clean and cook. Throughout the video, I'll be speaking to you guys. I hope you enjoy enough to subscribe to my channel. Here I'm unpacking some shopping. That's the weekly shopping, mostly for my daughter, in terms of fruits and other things. Trying to go on a diet, and yes guys, so that's the weekly shopping. Guys, I'm gonna start washing my dishes. It's not a lot. My daughter being out for the whole week to her father's house, so it's not a lot of washing up to do. Hi my lovelies, welcome to the channel. In today's video I am making beef curry. I hope you stick around to watch me cooking. If it's your first time seeing me, subscribe to my channel. I make home decor videos, fragrance reviews, fashion, I mean the whole 9 yards. Let's start cooking. Beef and I seasoned last night with garlic and ginger. Guys, I'm seasoning my curry with all the basics of cooking curry. I mean, you have to have your onions, your shallots, and you can add different type of spices. Obviously, you have to have your turmeric, your curry powder, and your coconut milk if you wish to add that to the dish as well. here are some ingredients that I'm gonna be using for this dish. So I've got a lot of spices, like I said, turmeric, curry, ginger, garlic, onion, shallot, a bit of tomatoes. You can do as you want to make your dish. I mean, it's up to you. Added the turmeric and the curry powder. Just gonna add a bit more. Okay, just a bit more. You can use. So guys, I'm gonna put some tomatoes in there. I'll probably just put one. Hopefully falls just the one. Yep, and a bit of pulp of tomato pulp, or two, it doesn't matter. Oops, mess. Yeah, so I've got some eggs boiling in here. Then I'll peel it, and towards the end I'll be adding to the main dish, okay? And I forgot to tell you guys as well, I did season with the sun aroma, tropical scent. It's a stock powder, all-purpose seasoning. Okay, you can use mud cube as well, and I'll be boiling my rice. Now it's time to add the coconut milk powder into the cup, and I'll be pouring. In fact, let's have a look how we're doing here. Ooh, it's looking fantastic. How nice that looks. The steam is, yeah, it's very, very delicious, guys. Let's see how the rice is doing here. Oh, it's all cooked. It is basmati rice. I think it's time to add our coconut milk. Let's add our coconut milk now. Okay. And also I'll be adding the eggs. So the eggs are in there now, guys. We're gonna let this steam and do his own thing, and we come back. Everything is looking fantastic and tasting amazing. Okay, you should try this at home. I'm going to increase the heat slightly so the water can go down. I mean, the milk can go down a bit quicker. The season is perfect. Don't need any more salt or anything. So yeah, we'll be back. Ooh la la! So that's how everything is looking. The eggs are well infused in there. I mean, the smell is just out of this world. And I like the consistency of the. Okay, so very tasty. I'm gonna set myself at the table and enjoy my curry. Thank you so much, guys. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel. That means the world to me. Alright guys, until next time, love and peace. Guys, I set the table, but nothing special, just my normal dinner table with my daughter. It's not a table escape or anything like that. So yes guys, come back to watch my Valentine's Day table escape. The food is ready guys, it's smelling amazing. I wish you guys were here to taste it. Absolutely amazing. I'm not just saying. Just have a look at this. I wish you could taste it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Peace and love. I love you guys to the moon and back.